Okay, continuing lesson 7. We have another situation. Sophia pays $19.99 membership fee for an online music store. She also buys 2 songs from a new album at a price of 99 cents each. What is the total cost? So we have $19.99 plus 2 songs at a cost of 99 cents each. So that's $19.99 plus $1.98. That's the result of doing 2 times 99 cents, which gives me $21.97. In the United States, we put the dollar sign in front of the amount of money. If Sophia purchases N songs for 99 cents, write an expression for the total cost. So we would have the $19.99 plus 99 cents times the number of songs. Sophia's friend has saved $118, but is not sure how many songs she can afford if she buys the membership and some songs. Using the expression in part B, write an equation that can be used to determine how many songs Sophia's friend can buy. So we would have $19.99 plus 99 cents times the number of songs equals $118. So using this equation, we're going to determine if we could buy each of these number of songs. So we'll start with our equation, and then we will replace N with the number of songs. That's called substitution. That turns out to be $99.99 for a total of $119.98. That's more than this. That is not equal to, so that's going to be no. I can't buy 101 songs because that would be more money than I have. So let's try 100 songs. 99 cents per song. Let's see if I can do that for my 118. 99 cents times 100. So $19.99 for the membership plus $99 for the 100 songs is $118.99. Again, that's more than the 118, so no. Okay, for 99 songs, I would start with my equation again. Replace N with 99. So I have $19.99. 98.01 is the product there. Add those together, 118. Yes, I can buy 99 songs. Now we have some vocabulary. The first vocabulary word is variable. A variable is a letter that represents a number. The example that I've provided for you is X. You can pause this if you need to and write these things down. The next word is equation. An equation is when you have 2 equal expressions. For example, 3x is equal to x plus x plus x. Or, here's some other examples. 3x equals 12. 3 times 4 equals 12. 3 times 4 equals 4 plus 4 plus 4. Again, pause if you need to get all that down. Vocabulary word number 3. Number sentence. That's when you have 2 equal numeric expressions. There are no variables here. So for example, 2 plus 3 equals 3 plus 2. Then we have solution. Solution is the value of a variable that makes both expressions in an equation equal to each other. So for example, here, when I have 3x equals 12, what would x have to be for this to be true? It would need to be 4, because 3 times 4 is 12. 12 is 12. So the solution is 4, because when x is 4, this is true.